Things. Everyone has things. These gadgets and trinkets make our lives a little bit better each day. But here's the problem, they all break. Something gets stuck, and eventually everything breaks. Back in my day, things used to last forever, says Grandma, but this is not those days. There is an actual conspiracy that reduces the quality of most of the products you use so that you go back and buy new ones. It was done so that you would spend more money on newer things when your older stuff breaks, so that companies can make more money and create new jobs. Veritasium has done a great video on it, take a look. But you have another option when things break, that is to repair. Now, why would you even spend time repairing something that can be bought or replaced so easily? I mean, you're right, you have a point, but I have a few reasons to do this anyways. Well, firstly, I have a lot of time these days, and secondly, it gives me a strange form of gratification and joy. You could call it the joy of repairs. It's when you become the reason that something that wasn't working before is now working. Oftentimes, the problems that we are facing are quite simple to solve. It only takes a little bit of a will to try. That could be the difference between something getting done and something just getting discarded. It need not happen every time, but in this case, it worked. It's fully functional and can be used immediately, and all it took was 20 minutes of my time, a screwdriver, and the willingness to try, even though it means there is a potential chance of inviting failure.